What's up, Phantom friends? I got my DJI Phantom 2 with my gimbal here set up. Picked up the Phantom 2 FPV HUB and the whole package, the kit.
I would stand in line for this. It's always good in life for this.
Someone's telling me that it should go right here, and then they're saying I think the hub would go there. I don't know. Where does this go? So, any help would be appreciated from the group. Alright, thanks very much. Say hi, honey. Tonight I actually watched a video that good old Simon made a few months ago, and it helped me tremendously just by watching it. Now I'm going to set out to try to do it. Tonight I'm drinking a wine that highly recommended by our local winery. So anyway, what does Simon say?
Everyone, welcome back to the kitchen table. This evening on the kitchen table, just a quick video that's been requested by quite a few people actually asking, but obviously certain rituals have to be maintained, so before we go into that, let's have a look at this evening's beverage of choice.
There it is.
There it is, a little Sicilian. Not bad at all from that part of the world, so cheers.
Cheers.
A little young, that one, I think. Right, so.
I didn't give up the light. I closed my eyes and closed myself and closed my world and never opened up to anything that could get me at all.
The wine was good, but now we're on to the coffee, and it's the next morning. So thank you, Simon, for that suggestion on that wine. It was wonderful. I followed Simon's great video. I do appreciate it. But my setup was a little different. What I did, because of the way my transmitter sits, I didn't want it to interfere with the battery. I didn't want the transmitter to interfere with the battery. I see in Simon's situation it actually does sit back by the battery. So I just did it this way. I put that there. I piggybacked like Simon did. I piggybacked the FPV HUB onto the IOSD, and everything does sit in there pretty nice. I double-sided the tape here. Alright. I really think they could make some of the wires a little bit longer. I mean, there's not a lot of play and there's not a lot of room for error, but other than that, we're good. Alright, thank you, Simon. Thanks for the tape. Good to go. Over and out. So, to Simon, thank you very much for your help. And to the other videos that I followed, the videos were very helpful. I think the group is definitely necessary to have these videos out there, so cheers. All right. Look at that. Oh, man. All right. Success. That's me right there. There you go. You get to see the Phantom. Required patience, required following along, with the helpful tutorials. Having the right set of tools is helpful. You know, get yourself a nice little setup, have the pliers. You get a little bit older, like myself, you get a magnifying glass, helps you read some of the stuff. I went with Velcro. I Velcroed the battery to the back. I Velcroed the receiver to the back of the monitor. Hope this helps you guys. Again, you know, I followed along the tutorials that were put out there, along with my own little interpretation, and it did go well. So you can do it. It's not that hard. Cheers, guys.
That's all, folks.